In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert superscripts and subscripts in Microsoft Word. Superscripts and subscripts are essential formatting tools that allow you to write chemical formulas, mathematical expressions, footnotes, and other specialized text properly. Learning to use them efficiently can make your documents look professional and well-organized, especially when precision matters. To start, open your Microsoft Word document where you want to insert a superscript or subscript. Place your cursor exactly where the superscript or subscript should appear. For example, in a chemical formula like H2O, you'll want the number 2 to appear slightly below the baseline as a subscript. For superscripts, which appear slightly above the normal line of text, you have two easy options. The first method is using the keyboard shortcut. Highlight the text you want to make a superscript and press Ctrl and the plus sign simultaneously on Windows, or Command and the plus sign on Mac. The selected text will instantly move above the baseline. For subscripts, which appear below the normal line, highlight the text and press Ctrl and the equal sign on Windows, or Command and the equal sign on Mac. This is particularly useful for chemical formulas, mathematical equations, or referencing footnotes. Another method is using the ribbon at the top of Word. Go to the Home tab and look for the font group. Within this group, you'll see the superscript and subscript buttons, represented by an X² and X2 icon. Simply highlight the text you want to format and click the appropriate button to apply the effect. This method is helpful if you prefer using the mouse or want to visually confirm which formatting is applied. For longer documents with frequent use of superscripts and subscripts, using keyboard shortcuts can save a lot of time and make editing faster. You can also combine these features with other text formatting, such as bold or italics, without losing the positioning. By mastering superscripts and subscripts, your Word documents will appear cleaner and more professional, making them easier to read and understand, especially in technical or scientific contexts. Whether you're writing formulas, citations, or mathematical notes, this simple formatting skill will improve the clarity and accuracy of your text. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.